If you were to pass the UK driving test, you need to show a standard of driving that shows you can safely and effectively cope with the many different hazards, road conditions and road users that you may encounter. Understanding road signs and interpreting their directions, instructions and information is vital in helping you to do this. And regardless of whether you are a learner or a full licence holder, road signs are fundamental in controlling and directing and informing everyone to keep our roads as safe as possible. However, there are hundreds of different road signs with a range of meanings, so to help road users they have been categorised into different shapes and colours, to make it easier to identify the type of sign they are from a distance, giving you more time to act on them. There are three basic shapes of signs. Circles give us orders, triangles warn us of upcoming hazards, and rectangles give us information or directions. This system is enhanced by the addition of colours. A blue circle means you must or can do something, whilst a red circle means you must not or cannot do something. Warning signs are always red, whereas direction signs can be white, green or blue dependent on the type of road that they are referring to. There are also a few special signs that you simply have to learn, as you will not be able to guess at their meaning, but broadly speaking, most signs fit into this system. So, with so many different signs possibly coming at you all at once, how do we know which one to act on first? To do this, we would obey the circular order signs first, as they will control how fast you are able to travel or show you where you need to be on the road. Then we would look at the triangle warning signs, as they are helping to identify any upcoming hazards. Then we would look at any square, information or directional signs. So let's take a look at some examples. Remember, red circular signs are order signs and mean you must not. For instance, no overtaking, no entry, no stopping, and no waiting. Do not exceed 40 miles an hour, no U-turns. This is how they might look in a real life situation. In contrast, blue circular signs are also order signs, but they mean you must or you may. For instance, your speed must be at least 30 miles an hour. You must turn left, or must keep left. You may pass either side. This sign indicates a mini roundabout and shows that you must travel around in a clockwise direction. Some other examples are used to show cycle paths or shared paths that show which side of the path each group must use. Here are some more real-life scenarios. Triangular signs are warning you of an upcoming hazard and are always red. They will usually include a symbol showing the type of hazard to expect. Warning signs for junctions typically show the road with priority as a thicker line, whereas these three signs all warn of the road narrowing ahead. The sign on the left indicates that a dual carriageway is coming to an end, whereas the sign in the middle shows that the road is narrowing from the right. The sign on the right indicates that the road is narrowing from both sides. This is how they may appear when you're on the road. Square or rectangular signs give you directions and/or information. Directional signs use different colours depending on the road that they are either on or referring to. For instance, this white sign is giving directions at a crossroads located on a B road. Note how the B road, the B1234, is crossing the A road, which has been highlighted in green, in this case the A11. It also shows that if you turn left, you head towards the M11. The green sign is giving directions on a roundabout that's situated on an A road. Note how the first and fourth exits take you on a B road, the B1183, whereas the second exit takes you on the A105, which leads to the M14. And if you were to cross the roundabout leaving at the third exit, you would be heading to the M15. Blue rectangle signs are used on or referring to a motorway. This one is showing the general direction of travel to be north, and the distances in miles to Sheffield and Leeds on the M1 motorway. Brown rectangular signs are used to give tourist information, whereas these yellow ones are used to indicate a route for a diversion. Some white rectangular signs are used to give more detailed information. On the left is a white information sign. It incorporates a red circular sign that says you must not stop and gives the times when this is to be enforced. The white sign on the right is clarifying the blue one above that shows that you have priority over the oncoming traffic, whereas the middle ones all give additional information to the triangle warning signs above them. We've only touched on a handful of the signs that are used on our roads, but hopefully armed with a better knowledge of the meaning of their shape or colour and how to prioritise these signs you encounter, they should be less confusing. And look out for the JFM Driving Tuition Reading Road Signs video quiz that accompanies this video. If you found the information in this video helpful, then please remember to subscribe to the JFM Driving Tuition channel. Thanks for watching.